Want to start car hauling but don't have a truck or trailer yet? In this video, I'll explain exactly what you need to buy and how much money it takes to start. Hi, this is Alex. If you want to start working in the car hauling business, but right now you don't have a truck or a trailer, in this video, I'll briefly explain what truck you should buy, what trailer you should choose, how much money you usually need to start, and what steps you need to take before you can begin working. The first thing you need to understand is whether you have a CDL or not. If you don't have a CDL, then by law, the combined weight of your truck and trailer cannot exceed 26,000 pounds GVWR. With this setup, drivers usually operate a two-car trailer, typically up to about 40 feet long. If you do have a CDL, then you have a lot more options. You can operate 3-car, 4-car, or even 5-car trailers, depending on your setup. For a non-CDL setup, we usually recommend Ram 2500, Ford F250. It is very important that the truck is diesel. Diesel engines are much better for towing and long-term heavy use. It's also important to understand that trucks like Ram 1500, Ford F150 are usually not strong enough for a 2-car trailer. However, they can work with a 1-car trailer if you plan to run a lighter setup. If you do have a CDL, then it's better to consider heavier trucks such as Ram 3500, 4500 or higher, Ford F350, F450 or higher. And in that case, we strongly recommend choosing a dually truck, meaning a truck with dual rear wheels. This gives you better stability and safety when transporting multiple vehicles. We typically recommend Ford and Ram because, in our experience, these brands have proven to be the most reliable for car hauling. If you are working without a CDL, the best option is usually a 2-car trailer. Ideally, the trailer GVWR should be around 12,000 pounds, which helps keep the setup within the non-CDL 26,000 pound limit. The most common beginner setup is a pickup truck with a 2-car trailer up to about 40 feet long. If you have a CDL, then you are not limited by this number and can consider larger and heavier trailers. The best place to look for a trailer is usually Facebook Marketplace or other online marketplaces. We normally recommend buying a used trailer because it is much cheaper than buying a new one. The ideal option is a trailer that is about 2 to 3 years old. This usually gives you a good balance between price and condition. It's also important to understand the approximate startup budget. On average, truck, $35,000 to $60,000. Trailer, $7,000 to $12,000. Equipment, $500 to $1,000. So typically, starting in this business requires around $45,000 to $70,000, depending on the equipment you buy. After you purchase your truck and trailer, the next step is to buy the necessary equipment. This includes straps, tie-downs, car securing equipment, and other safety equipment required for transport. All of this must meet the requirements in case of a DMV or DOT inspection. Next, you will need to complete an annual inspection for both the truck and the trailer. This can be done at most truck service shops. After the inspection, the required inspection stickers will be placed on your truck and trailer. You will also need to install an ELD device. An ELD is required if you operate interstate and perform commercial transportation. You can order an ELD through our company or independently. Once you have now a truck, a trailer, the required equipment, inspections, and an ELD, you're ready to start working in the car hauling business. If you want to learn more about how the onboarding process works with our company, how dispatch works, and how much drivers typically earn, check out the other videos on our channel where we explain the full process in detail.